Meet the nail gun zombie, your new worst nightmare on the construction site. He doesn't need a sledgehammer. One squeeze of that trigger, and you're decorated with nails. Up close, you're toast. Far away, still toast. This guy's got range, baby. Yeah, I know. Where's the nail firing animation? Still in the oven. But the model? Chef's kiss. You can even change his skin and outfit colors. How's that for customization? Head over to my profile for more zombie goodness. Star plus comment equals free gift. Don't miss out.